Oh my god, what's happening? Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to try and hatch this huge hell rock. We were grinding the whole week for these magma eggs. This is how much we got, and maybe we can buy some more. We got some diamonds, but we are going to try and get our first huge pet. Hopefully this works. And we are also starting a special giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure you stick until the end and get a chance to be one of the people that will get some nice pets that we will catch in this video. So while we're opening, we have every potion running in the background. Let me get some more cocktails. And we also got this little friend over here that's helping us gather as much eggs as we can, even though it's a new update. So thank you very much, Christabel, for helping us with this one. So I will use all of my scrolls. Use some more of those. Let's see what will the universe give us. Let's go. What happened? Oh my god, yeah, it's not. We got this one. My heart a little bit skipped once. See, nothing for this one. Okay, let's go. This is exciting. Let's do it. Oh, here we go. Go on the right side. Yeah. Come on, please be huge. Please be huge. Oh my god. Devil agony. Please stop with the agony. Maybe we should have waited until the big event before the next update. But never mind. Please give us our first huge. It would be cool to beat this one. Hell rock is very cool and shiny. Oh, we can do this. We can do this. It's okay. We have 2,000 more to go. More than 2,000. Let's get it. I never opened so many eggs from once. This is already a record for us. Just to confirm, we don't have none of these packs, but ever we haven't got anything from this increased luck stuff. So this is only a free-to-play account. Oh my god, please. Please be huge. Oh my god, it's not. No. Man! Please go to the right. Please go to the right. Devil agony. Okay. Let's go. Again. Let's go. Why do you go to the left side? You can go to the right once. Let's go. Please. Please. This is so frustrating. I'm just gonna cry, bro. That was 11 million worth of eggs. If I waste 10 million this poor, I'm gonna stop playing this game. No, I'm not, but maybe I'm gonna stop for one day. I was thinking badly, that's why. Like, I need to start thinking positively. Yeah, I'm gonna get it now. I'm gonna get it now. This is the moment. I'm gonna get it. I'm sure I'm gonna get it. Come on. Yeah, this is the moment. You getting it? Yeah, no. Oh my god! Well, you know what? I'm gonna give 4 of these devil agonies to 4 of you guys who watched until now. So just leave a comment with your username inside and you will be one of the players who can get this free mining pet, and you will also get some mining speed and mining damage boost with it. So good luck! Kick it to the right next time. Please, please, let's go gods. Please help me. Oh my god. I just don't have luck. Oh my god, now I remember. Maybe I should use my best pets for this. I totally forgot that. I'm using mining pets at the moment because I was mining. That was stupid. Let's equip the best ones that we can. Maybe that was the problem. We have increased luck now. Come on, please give us. I started losing hope. We can get it. Come on. Please, guys. I'm just gonna be quiet now. What's this? What happened? What just happened? Why did it get so much stuff? I don't know. I guess I'm gonna just move on and see what's up later. Okay. Okay. Maybe we got to the last level. This is absolutely stupid, man. 900 more to go. No. No way. Totally unexpected. I'm gonna cry after this. Oh my god, what? What's happening? Oh my god, bro, we got it! Oh my god, I'm gonna... Jesus Christ. Oh my god, there it is! Cannot believe this. We got it! Our first huge pet. I cannot even believe this. Yeah, this was totally worth it, guys. we finally got our first huge pet. Look at it, it's so beautiful. Let me get these others out just for a moment so we can appreciate it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I cannot even believe we got it. So definitely worth it. Definitely good idea to go for this one, guys. As you can see, it's not so hard. I was grinding 1 week, but you can see that you can actually get the huge pet for free if you grind enough, but you will need a lot of time to get and maybe some friends to help you. You will need to use your friend boosts. You see, I use that. I'm on diamond egg. I never bought none of these packs, never got any god potion. I haven't used none of this stuff. Of course, I have my upgrades all except the Titanic pet. Still gathering a little bit more needed for that. We are almost there. Yeah, over here everything is unlocked. I got my diamonds by selling some good stuff. So the next step will be for us to unlock Titanic pet and maybe go for Titanic next. We don't know, we will see. So there you go, guys, that's all from me for this video. I will once again remind you that we are hosting first time a Pets Go giveaway. We will give 4 of these devil agonies that we got in this video to 4 lucky viewers. So if you watch the whole video, you know what to do. Leave a like if you like this video. Let me know what's your favorite huge pet. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.